How can you switch from YouTube to YouTube Kids? Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to switch from a YouTube video to YouTube Kids app. This is a greater way to make YouTube a safer environment for your kids. So let's get started. Now, in order to do that, you need to simply go to YouTube. Once in YouTube, you need to simply search for the Disney channel over here or any content from Disney which are child friendly. Now, once you have done that, you can simply tap on any video that is for childs. And once you have done that, you can see that in the comment section, an app made just for kids, open app option. You need to simply tap on open app over here. And once you have done that, you can see that you are now switched to YouTube Kids. It's that simple. And that's it. It's that easy to switch from YouTube to YouTube Kids. If you found this video helpful, if you did, please leave us a like and drop a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like this. We'll see you again next time. Thanks for watching.